Okay, so this is lesson 7.2. It's a multiplication facts survey. So kids kind of need to get an idea of the multiplication facts they already know and the ones that they still need to learn. This is the parent help video to kind of supplement this. So at home, if you could please check with your child and sort of see where they are with multiplication. This year we try to work up through the 12s and see how far kids can get up through that. We work on different strategies for different multiplication facts. And you can also check out the series of multiplication videos that I'm going to put out for the kids to review their facts and to help give them some strategies to memorize their facts. We do want these facts memorized. There are no new vocabulary words for this particular lesson, but if you would go back and review lesson 7.1, you would see the words product, which is the answer to a multiplication problem. You would see the words factor, which are the numbers that are multiplied together to get the product. And so like factor times a factor equals a product. And you would also see the vocabulary word turnaround rule, which is the commutative property of multiplication. It means basically that you can turn two factors around and get the same product. Okay, so 3 times 2 equals 6. 2 times 3 is also 6. So we turn those factors right around and we get the same product. So if you could please just take a just review that a little bit, and then as far as the multiplication facts go, please practice multiplication facts with kids. Practice them. Some great ways to practice: flashcards. Okay, if you do not have multiplication flashcards yet, please get some. I also sent multiplication flashcards home a couple of months ago when we did multiplication the first time during Unit 4. If your child needs another set of those, please contact me, because those are broken down by the individual numbers. So the 2s, the 3s, the 4s, the 5s. So flashcards, the practice videos which I'm going to make for you. You'll find those on my teacher page and also my YouTube page. Also, just a quiz. Just a quiz. So an oral quiz. Just quiz your kids. Just ask them out of the blue. So these are 3 great ways that you can practice multiplication with kiddos and kind of help them remember a little bit more about it. This is where we build the foundation for multiplication. So the sooner and the more quickly that kids can get their basic multiplication facts down, the much more easily it will be for kids to learn how to do harder multiplication problems, as well as other math that they're going to need later down the road. So please help kiddos build this foundation. It will make their math homework time as they go through the grades much shorter if they've already memorized the facts. So even though it's a little bit tricky to do now, I really strongly suggest you work on it at home using, these are 3 of the methods you can use. I'm sure you can find many more. These ones are going to help with the memory. As far as exposure goes, there are certainly websites that have games. Okay, this is another good, fun thing for kiddos to do. Games or just math practice sites like Khan Academy, which will work on skills but won't necessarily drill and practice facts. So both of these are also great sites though. If you have any questions, as always, please contact me, and this is what we're covering in lesson 7.2, the multiplication facts survey.